We've just done the other rear window, this corner window here. It's a right pain, to be honest. So I didn't film that one. I kind of learned on that one. Once I take it out, it's the refitting of it back in, so we don't have genuine rubbers. It's from WeFit, I think. So now, first of all, I've got to get all the rubbers out. So I'll take the window out, take it over to the bench, re-put the other ones on. I end up having to tape it to get it on, but I'm just trying to break the seal first. Then have a crack at getting this off. Bro. Well, I've gone around the edges and tucked the rubber up underneath the sill because I only have one little wedge. I saw the 40 series guy use shims, but I don't have any. And this works. It's just a bit slower. There it comes. There we go. Done. Right. I'm gonna go get this cleaned up. Oh, that's right, I had like a glue. The last window was as well, it's like they've glued it down. But yeah, the genuine Toyota rubber is kind of more in a rectangular shape, where our new one, it's dead set round. So it's a full-on battle to get it stuck on there. But you need to clean the glass up first. I've just finished cleaning up the window. It had all glue. I think from factory they must use some kind of glue. It had it all around the edges. Scraped it off first. I used a mix of degreaser and terps to get it all off, cleaned up the windowsill, and now I'm putting on the new rubber. And this part it's a pain. I'll get one side on, I go to the other side, and it pops off. So I have not mastered the art of this at all. So I try to get opposite sides first, and I kind of just like wiggle it on there. But it takes me some time. Oh, you can see it happening now. As soon as I put it down, you can see it starts to pop off. So I'm gonna squish it down, gaffer tape it on, and we'll take it off at the end, because otherwise it just starts to pop off as I put it inside the, but yeah, there we go. Spray the silicone spray around the edge and place, I don't have rope or anything, so I'm gonna place cable up and under here so that we can lift it up onto the sill. Now this worked for us last time, so hopefully it works again. And for the cable, I'm just using a piece of electrical cord. I think it's just 6mm. You can see the cable, I've shoved that up under there because that's the part where the sill has to sit on. So with the cable, then I can just wiggle it free and hopefully, in theory, slip it straight over the sill.
Bag has finished.
Yeah.
Here she put all the cable in, and it's time to style.
I'm gonna start on this end. As I kind of like wiggle this around and it slipped, so it allows this little lip to flick over. It's just my top bit, it's not all the way over. For this, because some of it gets stuck, so I kind of just get under it and flick it over to pull it so that it can flick back over and covers the lip. Yeah, next window I'll film from the inside so you can see what it looks on this side. I hope this helps. When we were looking, we didn't find much at all for the non-genuine seals, so I hope that you're able to use this one and it gives you a bit of an idea of the things that we had to do to make it work for us. So yeah, hope it helps, guys.